Today's tutorial is about creating patient summaries. When you double click any box, any one of these boxes, it brings up this list here. And it brings it up in the SOAP format: subjective, objective, assessment, and plan. When you double click a particular box, you all you have to do is click this little radio button and it actually will push whatever box you clicked. So let's give you an example of how that works. We double click this here and I click the here. When we open it back up, it pushed everything from that box in there. So that's a very fast way of doing a paste. Just go ahead and take that out of there for now because you can edit this. You can talk into this if you want, do speech recognition. You can type directly into it if you want to do that. So you have a lot of different opportunities to create any type of note you want. But let's just do the really fast and easy one. So we'll go ahead and say, what was the patient complaining of? This would be a subjective. Our objective findings, we can go ahead and just copy and paste that. Copy. And then we would just go ahead and put that right in this one here and paste it. Okay, the assessment, basically we'll say that the patient had reflux in, or let's say chronic venous insufficiency. See, I'm doing it different ways so you can see that it can be done any particular way you want. And if you want to put in what your recommendations are, you can go ahead and copy and paste. If that doesn't work there, you copy and paste it and you can open it up with any particular one here. So we're going to do venous ultrasound of bilateral extremities. So if we close that, we look at the summary and we see everything we put in here for this date. Burning restlessness and achy discomfort in both right leg, varicose veins in right legs, biarticular veins both legs, assessment, chronic venous insufficiency, and the plan was to do a ultrasound. So, and once you do this, you can edit it in any particular way you want. If I took that back out of there, and if I wanted to delete that, then all I would have to do is take it, open the this here, pull that out, close it, and you see when I open the summary back up, it's gone. So, and then when a day passes, whatever we have in here, you can't edit it anymore. So it just keeps track of everything you've done in the past. So you can keep track of an INR, patient's blood pressure, any number of things if you just want a quick summary of what you did on the last patient's visit. So that basically is the long and short of creating a patient summary. One thing I do want to add to that is that if you wanted to take this, any part of this, and you wanted to copy and paste that into a document, you could use any particular document. You can use a general note if we wanted to. In fact, what you could do is you could place it right into the general note page right here, and it could flow from there. Or what we can do is just open up the general note and run that report. And we can just place all that information in right here. So you can keep track of it in many different ways if you wanted to create a report. So there's quite a few different options. Now that's it for creating a patient summary.